Ms. Gray, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
Officer observed a vehicle fail to signal a lane change in Harris County, Texas. The vehicle also had unconfirmed insurance. The defendant was later ID'd by Texas driver's license, and upon contact, the officer observed slurred speech, red bloodshot eyes, and a strong odor of alcohol emitting from the defendant's breath and person. The defendant admitted to consuming 3 beers. SFSTs were conducted. 6 out of 6 clues were observed on the HGN. 6 out of 8 clues were observed on the walk and turn. 3 out of 4 clues were observed on the one-leg stand. The DIC was read to the defendant, and the defendant refused a breath sample. A blood search warrant was signed and executed.
What did you say the stop was? I missed it.
The stop was for a failure to signal lane change, and then the officer ran the plate and saw that the vehicle had unconfirmed insurance.
Okay. Ms. Gray, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I'm going to put you in jail.
Judge, would you consider an interlock for this case?
I am, because she just had one that was dismissed. So I am now placing a restriction on your license. You're not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have a guardian interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have one, I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand? And you have a great lawyer listed to Mr. Darvish, and he'll tell you when you have to come back to court. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, but it is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. Do not pick up any new cases. Don't drink. And if you lose your license between now and then, you're not allowed to drive. Do you understand?
I do.
Right. The other thing is also a condition of your bond is you're not allowed to drive unless you have liability insurance in your name. Do you understand? So if you drove here today and you don't have liability insurance, you can't drive. You understand?
I do.
All right. So I'm going to have you sign a reset. Victoria, we'll have you get Felicia for your bond conditions, and then you guys are free to go. All right. Thanks, guys.
Right, Judge, next is